Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on ORC, or Orchid Island Capital. Again, ticker ORC. I've covered this one a couple times. As you can see here, over the last year, it's down over 40%. So you see what it used to be. Maybe it'll get back up there. We'll have to see once the Ukraine, whatever else is going on that's making this one go down. But as you can see, over the last year, it has been going down. Over the last 3 months, it's down. Over the past month, it's down over 15%. And here in the last week, down over 11%. So this one's really dropped again in the last week. And here's a look at what it's doing today. So, like I said, I've talked about this one a couple times. I have 130 shares here at a cost basis of $563. I buy some here and there. I haven't bought any for a little while. We'll check and see when I bought last. But this is a dividend pair that I've been watching. It's investing in residential mortgage-backed securities. And you can scroll through that. Founded in 2010, volume of 3.27 million, average of 4.93, market cap of 593, let's call it 594 million, 52-week low of 327 and a high of 622. Here's a look at their earnings. So little. And here's the dividends. This is what it's all about on this one. It used to be 6.5 cents. They decreased it to a penny, I think, a month or two ago. I can't remember now. Here's where it looks like I did try buying some and it didn't fill. And here's where they were paying 6.5 cents. So you can see the difference, about $1.30 less per month just by decreasing it. But as you can see, a lot of REITs are down. They're all in the red. So hopefully this one will come back up. We'll just have to wait and see. But at the 52-week low is 327. And I suppose that hit today. So we'll just have to watch this one and see how much lower. That's why I haven't bought any of this one in a while, just to see how much lower it's going to go. And then decide. So as long as they keep paying the dividend, I guess I'll keep buying it. But some people are really for this one, and some say it's a piece of crap company, a POS, and not to invest into it. So getting all kind of mixed reviews. I got some information. Some of it's a little bit older. The newer information will be at the end of the video. So stay till the end. But here on Microsoft Bing, currently showing it as a buy with a 1-year price target of $4.25. So if I could get about I don't know, 50 to 100 more shares, and that would probably get my cost basis down to close that, and I'd be happy with it. As long as they don't quit paying the dividend, that's what it's all about. So Orchid Island just got our attention. Like I said, this one's a little bit older, but some of the information is still kind of relevant in regards to the price going down. So it went down by 2.5%, closing compared to the 1-year high of 622. Company stock price has collected minus 4.75% of loss in the last 5 trading sessions. Here's kind of some ratings. We'll go over some ratings towards the end. The average price from analysis is $5.13, which is $1.31 above the current price. ORC currently a public float. The public float of 160.85 million, and currently shorts hold a 6.4% ratio of that float. Today the average So again, since this is a little bit older article, just going to fly some of this through this information and get to the more updated at the end. This kind of goes over their performance. 50-day moving average. Some of this, like I said, is relevant if you're in ORC, but as you can see, this is a week old again. But this is all the information that I could find here in the last week or so. But company report on February 16 that ORC announces February 2021 monthly dividend. And January 31st, the portfolio characteristics, like I said and pointed out, it went from 6.5 to 5.5 cents. So, I mean, still not bad. It hurts getting cut a penny. I don't like it. So you can see, so if you have 100 shares, that's going to cut $1 out of your earnings or your purchase power. If you have it on drip, where you're buying more ORC, or if you're just don't have it set up on drip and you're using the proceeds from this to buy something else. So, but again, their stock is trading around $3.56 per share. What's next? This is dated on the 24th, so closed the session at $3.56 on 2/23. Day's price range saw the stock hit a low of $3.56, while the highest price level was $3.72. Company report on February 16th that ORC announces February 2022 dividend. So again, kind of some of the same. Again, 5.5 cents. Here's what the gurus are saying about ORC. And I don't know what to say about this one. I'm just considering it a hold. But again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. But as I pointed out at the beginning, I haven't bought much of this one lately, or put it off just so I can see if it's going to hit the bottom or where the bottom is going to be. Average 2 range for ORC is set at 0.13 with a price to sales ratio of ORC with a period of 12 months amounting to 35.52. Price to book in the last quarter is 0.63. Again, here's some performance. And a look at the core fundamentals. So again, just kind of skimming through because I got more information to go over on ORC. And feel free to leave any comments on this one if you're still buying this one or waiting for the bottom like myself, or if you got out of this one or just holding, collecting that dividend. Again, I'm just kind of hanging around waiting to see what this one does. Here kind of goes over some institutional holds and some trading. Orchid Island announces fourth quarter 2021 results, and kind of already went over that. So for those of you that like the Yahoo Finance look, net loss of $44.6 million or 27 cents per common share, which consists a net interest income of $42.4 million or 25 cents per common share. Total expense $4.4 million or 3 cents per common share. Net realized or unrealized losses. Since its initial public offering, the company has declared cash dividends equivalating 12.545 per common share. Book value per share $4.34 as of 12/31/2021. Company to discuss results on Friday, February 25th. And see if there's any other information in here. Again, all of this is on Yahoo Finance. Fourth quarter operations. So there's quite a bit of information in here. So again, just going to scroll through this instead of reading it all. This could be a video in itself. Like I said, it's here on Yahoo Finance. I was just pointing out the highlights and the most up-to-date details on this one. And again, here's their earnings snapshot. You can go to this particular website, and if you don't want to read it, you can actually listen to it. So which I'm not going to do because probably get a copyright or something on the video, so just going to point that out. The Vero Beach, Florida-based company said it had a loss of 27 cents. Earnings adjusted for investment costs were 22 cents per share. For the year, the company reported a loss of $64.8 million, or 54 cents per share. So I would just keep a close eye on this one. I don't know, with the earnings that just came out, I have a feeling it could go lower. I mean, that's just me saying that, but don't listen to me, do your own due diligence on it. Again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, just stating my opinion. And over here on the StockTwits, currently at 336 with a low of 335, high of 622. So we'll see if it goes any lower. And bearish here as of this morning. Look at the 5-year chart, nothing but a downtrend here. We'll have to think about adding on a 2-handle. So another 500 shares. So some people are still buying this one. Why defensive stock not living up to it? Stock is a joke. There's people buying it and saying some it's a joke. So I suppose you'd have to get their history if they just bought it and then it went down. But the ratings are showing it as a buy. And over here on the tip ranks, currently as a moderate buy with a 27% upside. So we'll just have to wait and see. So, well, here maybe it's going down again. So, but I think it did hit that 52-week low here today. So 327, yep. So could go lower even after earnings. So I would just set your alerts on it, and if you're still looking to buy some more of this one, wait for it to hit the 327, or sometimes I might just put in the buy order if when it hits 327 to purchase some more. I'll just have to wait and see on this one. So, but if you have this one, go ahead and list it in the comments. I'm sure I'll get comments on this one as I always do on ORC videos. Sometimes they're positive, usually negative, but everything helps people learn about the stock. So just stating the fact here. So, and if there's any other REITs or any other stocks out there you want me to take a look at and do a video, I'd be happy to do that as well. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.